In this video, we'll connect Mochi to your AI chatbot through Toolforest so it can build decks, write cards, and even quiz you right from the conversation. To begin, you'll need a free Toolforest account. Head to toolforest.io and sign up. Any email works. We'll sign in with Google. Then create an MCP server. It's your chatbot's gateway to all your toolkits. Next, connect Claude to that server. On the Connect page, the portal has instructions for every major chatbot. For Claude, click the Connectors link. That takes you straight into Claude's settings. Add a custom connector, name it Toolforest, and enter the MCP URL from the instructions. Click Add, then Connect. Claude sends you over to Toolforest to authorize the connection. One click on Approve, and you're taken back to Claude. Claude is now connected. This is a one-time setup that covers every toolkit in your account. Now open the Toolkits page. On the Learning tab, there's Mochi, and right now it's not configured. Mochi connects with an API key, so let's create one. In Mochi, API keys live under Settings in the Subscription section. We'll create a new key, give it a name, and copy it. Note that API access requires Mochi Pro. Back in the portal, click Configure on Mochi, paste in the key, and save. And that's it. Mochi shows configured, and Claude can use it right away. And that's the setup. To see what your chatbot can do with Mochi, check out the examples video.